Alright guys, we have Bitcoin here completely retracing the grayscale ETF SEC win. Now here on my Twitter account back in 21st of August, I've told you guys that we're gonna go back to 28k and then see lower prices. And I'm gonna explain to you why and what I am expecting here next for Bitcoin. So as I said, hold this support and we run it back to 28k before lower. And this is what happened again. So what's going on here with Bitcoin? Why is it crashing? What are the next targets that I have here for Bitcoin? This is what we're gonna see here in this video. First of all, if you enjoy these videos, please leave a like and subscribe, and let's get into Bitcoin. Now simply, when we had this massive crash here, we left a lot of inefficiencies here in the market, and not only that, we also had a CME gap to fill, and as you can see, exactly filled, and now we are right back at it. And if you watched my previous Bitcoin video here, why Bitcoin crashed and what I expected, as I will play it for you right now here, if we hold this line, I would expect it to run back towards 28k. Now we have a CME gap that needs to get filled around the 27k 800, and usually guys, if you don't know, the CME gaps are usually gaps that Bitcoin leaves on people that trades on CME futures, and usually these gaps, they get left and most of the time they get filled. So as you can see, as I said in the video, we're gonna go back to refill the CME gap, and as well we had a point of control there around the 28k, which was a huge confluence. Now if you watch the video, I already told you that was my plan, so I already took the long here and a short here. I took a long here towards the CME gap to get it filled, and then a short again, especially after I seen this point of control hit with a swing failure pattern. And I shared this here on my Twitter saying that this point of control here, we run it back towards the lows again, keep it simple, reject it from the point of control, and this is exactly what happened guys. Now this is simple trading here on Bitcoin and what's happening. So now you'll be asking me, so what's next now for Bitcoin? Now this is the spot chart, BTC USDT on spot. On the futures we did take this low here, on derivatives we did take this low, but on spot we did not take it yet. So I do expect this low to get taken here. We need to take this low here on spot, which is around 24,800, and now we still have this bearish scenario here for Bitcoin. Now as I said, the first target would be this 24,800, and if this does not hold, now we have an even lower target, which is around 20k, and that is the CME gaps. So whenever we get those CME gaps, they do get filled, and now we have the bigger one, which is around 20k. Now this one could get filled if 24k does not hold. The point here is I will be watching those levels. This would be my levels to look for longs here on Bitcoin. Now I'll be waiting for a reaction. I will update you guys on my Twitter, and as well you can subscribe to my channel. I will keep you updated guys with Bitcoin as I'm day trading this daily. This is my plan here for Bitcoin: 24k 800, 25 300, and if those do not hold, or somehow we close a candle here, especially an hourly or 2 hours candle below these levels, then guys we could look forward toward this 20,000 level here on the CME gap. And by the way, I'm a trader at FairDesk. You can copy my trades. I day trade daily. You can make money passively. You don't need no KYC, no VPN needed to join. You can trade as well derivatives, and there is a huge bonus on your deposit. I'll leave you the link in the description. Thanks again for watching this video. If you have any question, please leave them in the comment section. I will see you on the next one. Cheers.